Hey there! It's your fluffy Korean teacher Daramzy. Today, we're learning 5 must-know Korean phrases that'll make locals go,
한국어 잘하시네요. 안녕하세요.
hello! This is the polite way to say hello.
안녕,
Actually means peace or well-being. So when you say,
안녕하세요.
it's like saying, I hope you're doing well. When you say this, slightly bow your head. It's how Koreans greet politely. And if you're greeting a close friend, while waving your hand, just say,
안녕. 실례합니다.
excuse me. Use this when you're trying to get someone's attention, like moving through a crowd or asking for directions. It's a polite, respectful way to say, excuse me.
감사합니다.
Thank you. You'll use this one a lot in Korea. When someone gives you your food, helps you, or even opens a door, say.
감사합니다.
If it's with friends, you can say,
고마워. 미안합니다.
I'm sorry. When you bump into someone or make a small mistake, say.
미안합니다.
If it's just between friends, say.
미안,
Or,
미안해. 안녕히 계세요.
bye. You say this when you're the one leaving. This one literally means, please stay in peace. If you're the one staying and your friend is leaving, say,
안녕히 가세요.
which means go in peace. And yes, bow again when you say it. It's polite and totally normal in Korea. And again with friends, just 안녕, and a little hand wave works perfectly. Did today's expression help you? I'm also uploading a short soon, where you can listen and repeat these phrases as many times as you want. So don't miss it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Korean lessons with me. Bye!
Thank you.